Introduction to remote work privacy.
Working remotely means relying on apps like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Slack. Protecting your privacy is important as these platforms handle sensitive information. Let's explore step-by-step how to adjust your privacy and security settings so your data and conversations stay safe while collaborating from anywhere.
Optimizing Zoom privacy settings.
Start by signing into your Zoom account. Visit the Settings section. Turn on Waiting Room to control who joins your meetings. Set meeting passcodes to prevent unauthorized access. Limit screen sharing to the host only. Review and adjust your profile's visibility. And disable video and audio by default until you're ready to join live calls.
Securing Microsoft Teams.
Open Microsoft Teams and click your profile picture. Select Settings, then Privacy. Enable Do Not Disturb to block unwanted calls and messages. Control who can contact you by managing blocked contacts. In meetings, restrict who can present and record. Always check meeting invitations for guest access and adjust if needed before starting.
Adjusting Slack privacy controls.
In Slack, click your workspace name and navigate to Preferences. Review your profile settings. Choose what information is visible to your team. Adjust notification settings to limit distractions. For direct messages and files, be mindful of what you share in public channels versus private conversations. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for extra account protection.
Best practices for remote privacy.
Regularly update your app passwords and enable two-factor authentication. Keep your apps updated for the latest security features. Avoid sharing sensitive files in public channels or meetings. Periodically review your privacy settings to ensure they match your preferences as platforms release new features or policy updates.
Staying safe while working remotely.
Optimizing privacy settings in Zoom, Teams, and Slack helps keep your work secure. Take a few moments to adjust these controls and stay aware of changes to each platform. Following these tips will help protect your communications and data while you enjoy the flexibility of remote work.